Here guys, one of the questions related to the UPSC 2025. This question is blank to the science and tech. Okay, and that is the consider the following statement regarding unmanned aerial vehicle. First one, all type of unmanned aerial vehicle can do vertical landing. Not all unmanned. Second option is all type of unmanned aerial vehicle can do automated hovering. Third one, all type of unmanned aerial vehicle can use battery only as the source of power. How many of the statements are correct? Option A, one only. Option B, only two. Option C, all the three. Option D, none. Here guys, please pause this video and try to answer it by yourself. And I know answer will be here because I will not provide in the next video. So I don't want to be next. I want to be provide here only what also things is there. Okay, answer is D. Why all the three option is wrong? Because all type of unmanned aerial vehicle can do vertical landing. No, it is not possible. All type of drone are not. Means unmanned aerial vehicle means here considered drone. Okay, the vertical land. No, some type of drone is there that is fixed wing drone. That is fixed wing drone. They will not land vertically. Means here all type not. If some type of unmanned aerial vehicle can do vertical landing, then it is correct. See here, all type of unmanned aerial vehicle can do automated hovering. Automated hovering means they are flowing. Okay, all type they not. They automated. They all are automatically not can do. They can operate through a computer. On board of computer, not a human board also. Some type it is right. All type of unmanned aerial vehicle can use battery only as a source of power. No guys, only source of power is not the related to for the unmanned aerial vehicle, because the military they use predator surveillance. Okay, and then for surveillance, and then also they use military operation also, right? So there we can't only survive on the based on the batteries power. Because batteries are less efficient than the fuel, so we need other source of power also to manage an aerial vehicle. So I think you got this, and okay, you can got all the three answer why it is wrong. I hope you get. Thank you.